In today's video, I'm going to show you how to share a design file link in Figma quickly and correctly so you can send your work to teammates, clients, or collaborators without any confusion. If you've ever needed to give someone access to a Figma file, this is the fastest way to do it. And if this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Let's jump right in. First, open your design file in Figma. Make sure you're inside the exact file you want to share because the link you copy will point directly to that design file. Once the file is open, look at the top right corner of the screen and click the Share button. This opens the sharing settings for your file. Now you'll see a drop-down that controls who can open the file. By default, it may be set to invited people only, which means only people you specifically invite can access it. If you want to create a public link that anyone can open, change that drop-down to anyone with the link. This is especially useful when you want to send the file quickly without manually adding each person. Just make sure you only choose this option if you're comfortable with broader access. After that, all you need to do is click Copy Link. This saves the file URL to your clipboard so you can paste it into an email, chat message, project management tool, or anywhere else you want to share it. Once copied, send a link to whoever needs access and they'll be able to open the Figma design based on the permission setting you selected. And that's it. You've now shared your Figma design file link in just a few simple steps. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more Figma tips, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.